Taking a look at our plans, the finished length for our seat needs to fit between the armrest assemblies. We have a total of 45 inches between the armrest assemblies. Our parts list calls for the seat to be 44 3/4 inches. So our seat will be 1/4 of an inch smaller than the opening between the armrest assemblies. This will allow for a little bit of flexibility to prevent that seat from hitting those armrest assemblies. Right now I'm sitting at 18 1/4 by 46 inches, so we can trim up our first end on the panel saw, taking off as little as possible just to square up that end. We can then slide down our workpiece. Before I cut my seat to the final length measurement, I do want to verify this with my project, and this opening is 45 inches, so I'm looking good. Measure and mark it at 44 3/4, and I can then complete that second cut. And I am now sitting at my finished length measurement of 44 3/4 inches by my finished width measurement of 18 1/4 inches.